Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add admin on your Facebook page. So guys, first just simply open up the Facebook app and just simply tap on the three lines to the top right or your profile icon. And guys, make sure to just simply switch into your Facebook page. And now just simply hold the menu icon at the top right and a pop-up window will show up and just simply select your page. And now once you have switched to your page, just simply go to the three lines at the top right again. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the settings on the top right again beside the search icon. From here guys, just simply scroll down a little bit and just simply go for the page setup in the audience and visibility category. And after that, just simply tap on page access over here. And now from here, as you can see, you will have two options. You can give people task access or Facebook access, which is an admin. So it will be depending on you. So in my case, I will go for Facebook access at the top over here. So tap on add new. And after that, just simply tap on next. So guys, just simply search for their name and just simply tap on their profile. And from here, if we scroll down, we should have an option over here to give them full control. So it will be depending on you. And after that, just tap on give access over here down below and just simply provide your Facebook password. And after that, tap on confirm. And after that, guys, an email will be sent to us. So just simply go to your mail. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply hold the code and tap on copy. And after that, just simply go back to the Facebook. Just simply paste it over here. Hold the code category and paste it and tap on continue. And after that, guys, just simply tap on confirm. And from there, guys, an email will be sent to them. And after that, they have to accept it in order for them to have access to your Facebook page. There you go. If you have any questions still, just simply comment down below. Thanks for watching.